To celebrate the 1-year anniversary of the Bit Squad, we are going to be giving away $1,000 in Bitcoin for the months of March and April, along with 2 Nano Ledger S's. An extra $100 prize will be available for those who join the Telegram group. Like and comment on every video in March and April for the maximum number of entries. You must be a subscriber to win. Hey Bit Squad, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little IOST video where we're going to talk about how you can get your rewards on the go. So a couple of weeks ago, I was on vacation and I wanted a way to be able to still collect all and claim all of my daily IOST rewards without having to take my computer. Now, unfortunately, I wasn't able to figure this out before I went on vacation. I ended up taking my computer and you just don't want to necessarily have to take your computer with you when you go on trips because obviously, my computer at least is very expensive, and if I had to replace it, if it got stolen on vacation or whatever, you have to leave it in the room and just trust the housekeeping and things like that. It's not something you really want to do. So when I got back, I determined that I was going to find a way to get my rewards without having to use my computer. Now, as a note on the system, it's even more important for me because if I don't claim my daily rewards, then that means that all of my voters aren't going to be able to claim theirs. I have to claim mine first as the node, and then they can collect their daily rewards. So I was able to do this finally through TokenPocket. Now, I downloaded the TokenPocket app before, but I wasn't 100% sure on how to get to the rewards. But here, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Here, I have the TokenPocket app pulled up, as you can see, with the blue logo, the T and the P. You just click TokenPocket. Now, what you have to do is you have to link your iChrome wallet to TokenPocket. So this is actually very easy to do. All you do is up in the top corner, you see there's a little wallet icon with a plus button. You just hit the plus button. Now, TokenPocket actually supports several different chains, not just IOST, but you would just click IOST here, and then you can import your private key, or you can create a new account if that's what you want to do. But if you're trying to use your iWallet information, you just hit private key, you put your iWallet private key into TokenPocket, and boom, now you're synced up. As you can see, I'm synced up right here through my BitBoy Crypt node. So now this is where it gets a little tricky. How can you claim your rewards? Well, to do this, you have to go through the Explorer. So if you go to the bottom, you see in the middle, it says Discover. You click Discover, and then from Discover, you can basically browse. So if you look at the top here, it says D-App Browser. That's all you got to do. Kind of looks like a mix between TokenPocket and Safari. So you just click that right there, and now you can go to any dApp or also any URL, just like a regular Explorer on a browser. Now, as you can see, I actually already have the rewards address pulled up. It says IOST Blockchain Explorer, and then it has the URL for the, where you claim rewards. So all you would do from this point is just click that or either manually input the URL, and boom, here we go. I've already claimed my rewards for the day, so don't have any sitting here. It does re-up basically every 24 hours. But from here, all you would do is just hit claim, and then boom, that's it. It's that easy. So that's how you claim your IOST daily rewards on the go with TokenPocket. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you did. If not, then what are you even doing here? Why do you watch my videos and you hate what I do? I'm just kidding. All right, guys, that's all I got. BitBoy out.